In this video, we listed the 20 best garage invention for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: GOAC Transmission Fluid Pump Kit. The GOAC Transmission Fluid Pump Kit is a 6L automotive pneumatic oil fluid extractor designed for efficiently refilling and transferring ATF, automatic transmission fluid. This 1.6-gallon oil change tool set comes with 15 ATF filler adapters, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicle transmissions. It offers two methods for fluid extraction: vacuum and manual pumping, providing flexibility for various maintenance needs. This tool is ideal for DIY car maintenance and professional mechanics, allowing for clean and controlled fluid changes without spills or mess. It is particularly useful for vehicles that lack a traditional dipstick for ATF refilling. Given the user's interest in automotive accessories and maintenance tools, including car cleaning, repair tools, and interior accessories, this fluid pump kit could be a valuable addition to their collection, ensuring smooth and efficient transmission servicing at home or in the workshop. Product 2. Product name: Foxwell NT726 OBD2 Scanner Tablet. The Foxwell NT726 OBD2 Scanner Tablet is a comprehensive automotive diagnostic tool designed for vehicle owners, DIY enthusiasts, and professional mechanics. This all-system OBD2 scanner provides full compatibility with all cars and offers deep diagnostics for essential vehicle components such as the engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission. Key features of the Foxwell NT726 include 12+ reset functions, such as oil reset, EPB, electronic parking brake, TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, SAS, steering angle sensor, ABS bleeding, throttle relearn, and injector coding. These functions make it an advanced tool for performing essential vehicle maintenance and troubleshooting various system issues. The tablet-style interface enhances usability, offering a clear touchscreen display for intuitive operation. Compared to basic OBD2 scanners, the NT726 provides more in-depth diagnostics, helping users read and clear error codes, perform system tests, and execute service resets efficiently. Product 3. Product name: SPTA Air Cannon Car Dryer Blower. The SPTA Air Cannon Car Dryer Blower is a high-powered 3000W auto car wash dryer designed to efficiently dry vehicles after washing while minimizing water spots and streaks. It features a powerful motor that generates a strong stream of warm, filtered air, ensuring a thorough and safe drying process without direct contact, reducing the risk of scratches. Equipped with 4 wheels for easy mobility and a 30-foot flexible hose, the dryer provides excellent reach and maneuverability, making it suitable for detailing professionals and car enthusiasts alike. The built-in air filter ensures that dust and debris are not blown onto the vehicle, keeping the drying process clean and effective. This S-Series model is not only useful for car drying but also for dusting and drying hard-to-reach areas like grills, vents, and crevices. Product 4. Product name: Rolling Stool with Wheels. The Rolling Stool with Wheels is a heavy-duty, adjustable shop stool designed for mechanics, garages, workshops, and other professional or home environments that require mobility and comfort. With a 350 pounds weight capacity, this durable rolling seat features a sturdy metal frame and 4-inch casters for smooth movement across various surfaces. It includes a built-in tool tray for convenient storage of tools, parts, and accessories, as well as 2 cup holders to keep beverages or small items within reach. The adjustable height mechanism allows users to customize the stool to their preferred working level, reducing strain and improving efficiency during tasks like car repairs, woodworking, and DIY projects. The padded seat enhances comfort for extended use, making it an ideal addition to garages, workshops, or any setting that benefits from a mobile and ergonomic seating solution. Its bright red color adds a stylish touch while improving visibility in busy workspaces. Product 5. Product name: Viver Air Jack. The Viver Air Jack is a heavy-duty pneumatic lifting tool designed for vehicle maintenance and repair. With a 3-ton, 6,600 pounds, lifting capacity, this triple bag air jack is capable of efficiently raising cars, SUVs, and light trucks. It features 6 steel pipes for added durability, an adjustable long handle for easy positioning, and a lifting height of up to 17.7 inches. The jack operates with fast air-powered lifting, 3 to 5 seconds, making it a convenient alternative to traditional hydraulic jacks. This tool is especially useful for car enthusiasts and professionals who need quick and reliable vehicle lifting solutions. Given the user's interest in automotive accessories, tools, and maintenance products, this air jack complements their collection of DIY auto repair tools, car floor mats, and windshield repair kits. Product 6. Product name: AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. The AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge with Inflator is a heavy-duty, high-precision tool designed for accurate tire pressure measurement and inflation. With a pressure range of 3 to 250 psi and a 0.1 psi display resolution, this digital gauge ensures precise readings for various vehicle types, including cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and trucks. Key features: heavy-duty construction, built with durable materials for long-term use, making it suitable for professional and personal applications. Digital display, offers an easy-to-read, backlit LCD screen for visibility in low-light conditions. Quick connect coupler, ensures secure attachment to air compressors for seamless inflation. Rubber hose and air chuck, provides flexibility and a strong grip on tire valves for reliable performance. Product 7. Product name: Car Jack Kit. A car jack kit is an essential tool for vehicle maintenance and roadside emergencies, especially for tire changes. The Car Jack Kit Scissor Jack for Car 2-ton, 4,409 pounds, is a universal emergency kit designed for cars and SUVs. It includes a heavy-duty scissor jack with a 2-ton lifting capacity, ensuring it can handle most standard vehicles. The kit also comes with a lug wrench, making it easier to loosen and tighten wheel nuts during tire replacements. This tire-changing kit is compact, lightweight, and easy to store in the trunk, making it a reliable tool for emergencies. The scissor jack features a sturdy steel construction, providing durability and stability when lifting a vehicle. Whether for routine maintenance or unexpected roadside assistance, this universal car jack kit is a must-have accessory for drivers, ensuring safety and convenience in tire-changing situations. Product 8. Product name: Melapron Universal Spare Tire Carrier. The Melapron Universal Spare Tire Carrier is a versatile mounting solution designed for securely attaching a spare tire to roof racks, platform cargo baskets, or off-road vehicles. This carrier includes a lockable design, providing enhanced security against theft while ensuring the tire stays firmly in place during travel. Given your interest in vehicle accessories like tow hitch receivers, car floor mats, and DIY repair tools, the Melapron Universal Spare Tire Carrier could be a practical addition to your setup, especially if you frequently travel with a spare tire on off-road adventures, road trips, or heavy-duty work vehicles. It is compatible with various tire sizes and rack types, making it an adaptable option for SUVs, trucks, and overlanding rigs. Product 9. Product name: XK Tire Changer. The XK Tire Changer is a high-performance wheel-changing machine designed for professional and home garage use. This 2.0 horsepower machine comes as a combo unit, featuring both a rim clamp tire changer, Model 950, and a wheel balancer, Model 690. It is engineered to handle a wide range of tire and wheel sizes, making it a versatile and essential tool for automotive enthusiasts, repair shops, and DIY mechanics. Key features: powerful 2.0 HP motor, provides efficient tire mounting and demounting. Rim clamp system, ensures a secure grip for various wheel sizes. Wheel balancer, Model 690, helps achieve precise tire balancing for smooth rides. Product 10. Product name: Camco Fasten Camper, RV Leveling Blocks. The Camco Fasten Camper, RV Leveling Blocks, 21024, are designed for stabilizing and leveling RVs, trailers, and campers. These blocks feature an interlocking design, allowing users to stack them for customizable height adjustments based on uneven terrain. Each block measures 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches by 1 inch, making them compact yet durable. The set includes 10 brown blocks, offering versatility in leveling different vehicle sizes. One standout feature is the twist-to-secure carrying handle, which keeps the blocks neatly stacked during transport and storage. This makes them a convenient and space-saving addition to any RV or camping setup. These blocks are built to provide a stable and reliable foundation, preventing sinking on soft ground and ensuring a smooth, level parking experience. Product 11. Product name: Paint Sprayer Tool. The Paint Sprayer Tool 1000W high-power electric spray paint gun is an efficient and versatile tool designed for both professional and DIY use. With a powerful 1000W motor, it delivers a high-performance spray for a smooth and even coating on various surfaces like furniture, cabinets, fences, walls, doors, and garden chairs. The tool is especially useful for projects that require quick and uniform paint coverage, making it ideal for both large and intricate surfaces. This spray paint gun is easy to clean, reducing downtime between uses and ensuring longevity. The tool's ergonomic design provides comfort during extended usage, and its adjustable spray pattern lets users customize the flow according to the task at hand. Whether for home renovations or simple touch-ups, this electric spray paint gun offers an efficient and cost-effective way to tackle painting projects with minimal effort. Product 12. Product name: Retractable Air Hose Reel. The premium steel retractable air hose reel is a high-quality tool designed for easy and efficient air hose management. Featuring a robust dual-arm design, this reel includes a 3/8 x 50-foot hybrid polymer hose, providing flexibility and durability for a wide range of tasks. The auto rewind reel ensures the hose neatly retracts when not in use, preventing tangling and prolonging its lifespan. Equipped with a quick air coupler, it offers convenient connection and disconnection of air tools, reducing downtime during work. The reel's heavy-duty double-side frame enhances stability, making it suitable for both heavy-duty and residential applications. This air hose reel is ideal for users who prioritize ease of use, durability, and efficiency, whether for garage work, industrial use, or any setup requiring a high-performing air hose management system. Product 13. Product name: Garage Hooks. Garage hooks are an essential tool for organizing and maximizing space in your garage or storage area. The 16-pack steel heavy-duty garage storage hooks with anti-slip coating are designed to hold heavy-duty items securely, making them perfect for hanging bikes, ladders, garden tools, and other garage essentials. These hooks are made of durable steel, providing robust support for a variety of items, and are coated with an anti-slip layer to prevent slippage and ensure that your items stay in place. The wall-mount design offers easy installation and saves floor space, helping to keep your garage neat and clutter-free. Ideal for those looking to optimize storage in a garage or shed, these hooks are versatile, reliable, and help keep your tools and equipment easily accessible. Product 14. Product name: GearWrench Work Table. The GEARWRENCH Adjustable Height Mobile Work Table, 83166, is a versatile and durable solution for a wide range of tasks, particularly for users in need of a portable and customizable workspace. This mobile work table offers adjustable height settings, allowing users to configure the table from 35 to 48 inches, ensuring comfort and ergonomic efficiency for different tasks. It's perfect for use in workshops, garages, or even as a supplementary workbench in various environments. Much like the Works WX066 Sidekick folding work table, which you might be familiar with, this GearWrench model brings flexibility with its adjustable features and portability. Its mobility makes it ideal for users who need to move between different work areas or require a compact space-saving option that doesn't compromise on functionality. Product 15. Product name: Smart Garage Door Opener. The Chamberlain B6753T Smart Garage Door Opener stands out as a top-tier solution for modern garage door needs. It offers an impressive combination of smart features and powerful performance. Integrated with MyQ technology, this opener allows for convenient smartphone control, enabling users to operate their garage door remotely from anywhere. The opener also supports video streaming, giving real-time access to your garage through a connected camera, which adds an extra layer of security. The B6753T is designed with ultra-quiet operation in mind, featuring a strong belt drive system that ensures smooth and noise-free performance, making it ideal for homes with attached garages. Its max lifting power ensures reliable lifting capabilities, even for heavier garage doors. Additionally, the opener is equipped with advanced corner LED lighting, providing bright illumination inside the garage, which is a fantastic feature for nighttime use. Product 16. Product name Eatonwolf VORTEX S6 Tire Inflator. The Eatonwolf VORTEX S6 Tire Inflator is a versatile, high-powered portable air compressor designed for heavy-duty vehicles, cars, and inflatables. It features a robust 19,200 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting performance and mobility. With its 100% duty cycle, it can continuously inflate without the need for brakes, making it highly efficient for both short-term and extended use. The dual-cylinder bike pump technology enables rapid inflation, allowing users to pump tires and inflatables quickly. Its vivid orange design ensures easy visibility, adding to the practical and stylish design. This tire inflator is ideal for those who require reliable, powerful, and cordless performance for various inflation needs, from car tires to recreational inflatables. Product 17. Product name Dicopro 228-piece socket wrench. The Dicopro 228-piece socket wrench auto repair tool combination package is a comprehensive hand tool kit designed for a wide range of automotive and household repair tasks. This set includes an extensive assortment of high-quality tools, including socket wrenches, ratchets, extension bars, and other essential tools, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts, mechanics, or anyone in need of a reliable toolkit. The 228 pieces provide versatility, allowing for repairs and maintenance on cars, bikes, and various household items. One of the standout features of this kit is the plastic toolbox storage case, which keeps everything organized and easily accessible. It helps ensure that your tools are neatly arranged, making it easier to find exactly what you need during a project. Whether you're working on a small repair or a more complex task, the Dicopro kit offers durability and efficiency, equipped to handle tasks with ease. This tool set is a great addition for those interested in car maintenance, small household fixes, or general repairs, offering a convenient solution for a variety of needs. Product 18. Product name SPTA Microfiber Car Wash Mitt. The SPTA Microfiber Car Wash Mitt is a set of 3 premium car wash gloves designed for a safe, effective, and scratch-free cleaning experience. Made from soft, plush microfiber cloth material, these mitts ensure gentle contact with your vehicle's surface while providing excellent cleaning power. They are compatible with a variety of car soaps, buckets, foam guns, and foam cannons, making them a versatile tool in your car cleaning kit. Their microfiber design traps dirt, dust, and grime without scratching the paint, making it ideal for those who want to maintain the integrity of their vehicle's finish. Whether you're using it for regular washes or more advanced detailing, the SPTA mitt helps achieve a thorough and safe clean every time. Perfect for anyone invested in preserving their car's appearance, including users with other car accessories or cleaning supplies in their toolkit. Product 19. Product name Pig Spill Barrier Dike. The PIG Spill Barrier Dike, 10-foot LX 4-inch WX 2.25H, black, PLR204BK, is a versatile and durable solution for containing spills and leaks in various environments. It is designed to effectively control and contain hazardous liquids, preventing them from spreading further and causing damage or contamination. The barrier is made of a strong material that can withstand different types of chemicals, oils, and other potentially harmful substances. With a flexible and low-profile design, it is ideal for use in areas where spills are likely to occur, such as warehouses, industrial settings, and maintenance areas. The 10-foot length and 4-inch width allow for ample coverage, while the 2.25-inch height ensures that liquids remain contained within the designated area. The black color gives it a professional look while also providing resistance to UV degradation. This product is a reliable and essential tool for ensuring safety and cleanliness in environments where spill prevention is a priority.